In this quick guide, I'll show you how to export scan results from Tenable Nessus in just a few steps. If you're managing vulnerabilities or need to share your results with your team, this process will save you time and effort. Stick around because I'll also share some tips on how you can get this powerful software for free with an exclusive bonus, so don't miss out. First, let's open up Tenable Nessus. Once you're in, make sure you're on the Scans page where all your scan jobs are listed. You'll find us under the Scans tab in the navigation bar. Next thing to do is select the scan result that you want to export. Simply click on the specific scan you're interested in. This will open up the scan details page where you can review the results in detail. From here, you'll see an Export button on the top right corner of the page. Click it and you'll be given several options for exporting the data. The third thing to keep in mind is that Tenable Nessus offers different formats for exporting the results. You can choose from formats like CSV, HTML, PDF, or even Nessus XML format, depending on what you need for your reporting or analysis. Select the format that best suits your needs and proceed. The fourth thing you need to do is customize your export settings. For instance, you might want to include additional data like severity ratings, or you may want to limit the export to specific vulnerabilities or assets. Customize these settings to make your exported file more useful. Once you've made your selections, click Export to download the scan results. This file will be saved to your local device, ready for sharing or further analysis. That's it, quick and easy. By the way, if you're new to Nessus and want to try it out, you can actually get access to it completely for free using the first link in the description below, along with exclusive bonuses. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this offer makes it easier for you to get started with the software and start securing your network today. Remember, if you're exporting scan results from Tenable Nessus for analysis or sharing, you can always rely on these simple steps. Be sure to take advantage of that extended free trial offer I mentioned earlier. You'll get access to all the features with no strings attached. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.